Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make these really easy DIY boho napkin rings. I got my wooden beads from Amazon and I took 10, strung them on some jute twine, and then I cut 2 feet of twine, wrapped it around a flattened toilet roll to make the tassel. Then I take my excess string, wrap it under there, tie it off, remove the toilet paper wrapper, and then I'm tying off the tassel holder. Then you cut through, even it up, and kind of mush it around a little bit, and there you have it. Makes a great, cute little napkin ring for your tablescape. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.